Okay, guys, part two. And there's probably going to be a few parts to this. We'll see. I'm going to try to keep it down to like a minimum, but this is a lot. So we are going to wrap these. I'm just going to use the light box for the third present. So this is the biggest one. So we are going to wrap this one, and there's nothing in it because we are going to actually glue it kitty corner here. And if I think one of these is going to be sufficient, and we'll just do it like that. And this is just tissue paper, so make it even here. And this will rip really easily, so you want to be careful. Okay, so I'm going to okay. And I'm going to be maxed out with wrapping, you know, so I'm going to cut this because we can still use this tissue paper for something else. And we are going to cut it so we have an extra piece if we need it. And now, don't make fun of my wrapping, okay? We are going to just put that on there, and then, because it doesn't really have to be really gorgeous, you know, it just has to look nice. And there. So here's one, okay? So I want to put that right here, kind of kitty corner to it, okay? And the next one is going to be green. I actually should have like 4 presents, but I'm only going to do 3. So we're going to be able to use that. So let's wrap the second one in green paper. And we'll see where we got to cut it. And this is going to be kind of hard because I don't want it to rip. And we can still use this paper. So, we'll go this way, and then this way. Straighten this out. Tape it on there so it doesn't move. Now this part is too big. So what I'm going to do is slide it down. Put another piece of tape on. There we go. And then we are going to cut this off. Like I said, it doesn't have to be gorgeous when we're taping it up, because you're not really going to see that. Let's put that one in first, and then okay. Let's do it the right way. This is how I wrap my boxes for Christmas too. They don't usually come out even. I don't cut the paper right or whatever, so I end up having to fandangle it a little bit. Okay, there's our second one. We'll move this paper. Okay, our third one is just, I think I have a little tiny piece. This is just extra paper. That I have. And we can use this. I kind of wanted gingerbread on there, so we will just keep trying until we get the right look. Okay, so let's put this, because this is just extra piece anyways. I don't see the gingerbread. Oh, yes we do. Awesome. Okay. We cut right there. Is the gingerbread guy. And he's going to go right on top. Doesn't look like he has two arms. Oh, that's better. Okay. Ouch. I get cut so bad every Christmas right on my, right there because of these teeth on these things. Okay. There, now we have our gingerbread guy. So there are the presents, and there's our extra papers. I don't need this one. So that's done. So that's how that looks so far. Isn't that pretty? Okay, we're done. No, we're not done. So I have to, I'm not going to glue these on yet. I want to make the bow first and do how we're going to do this. I don't know where the end is of this. They wrapped it around really good. There it is. See, this is what it looks like. It's on wire. Isn't that cute? But if we put it on here, see, you won't be able to put this down. And if we put it around here, I would have to glue it so it wouldn't interfere with that. That'd be cute though, right there, huh? So I don't know what we're gonna do, if we're gonna put it on here like this, or if we're gonna put it around the bottom, around, I like that kind of better, I guess. We can do it all that way. Go here, and then up and around, and end it over here. That's probably what we'll do. But I have to glue it on. So, that's it for number 2, part 2, is we got the presents wrapped. And then we're just going to do it in different stages, and if it's not too long, I may piece some of it together, but if not, there's going to be a bunch of parts. So, it'll be a playlist. This is going to take a while to put on here. All right. I think that is it for this one. So we got the presents wrapped. Here's the presents. And I think tonight is the presents. So I think tomorrow I will try to glue this on here, so we won't have, so that'll be done. We won't have an issue with that. That part will be done. I'll do that myself before going on, because that's going to be a pain in the butt. And then I can glue on this part. We'll glue on this part, so that'll be one part. Because I think we'll put the lights in that. Let's make sure this works. Well, those batteries don't work. Some of these things are duds, you know, they don't work. But the batteries could be dead. I don't think they are. I have 2 more boxes, but they're gold, and I don't want to use the gold ones. I have another set. I have actually a couple of different sets. We'll see if this one will work. Whatever one works, that's the one we're using. So let's see if this one will work. Nope. I think it might be the batteries, because I know that these work. And I'd prefer to use these ones if I can. I hate these stupid screw things. They're a pain in the neck to get out. Try. Aha. had one that fit it really good. All right. I think it's the batteries, guys. So I will take this upstairs with me and see what ones are going to work, because I really want to use these ones. These are LEDs. And yeah, so I will be back with part 3.